Hello, dear children. How are you all? I hope you're all doing great. This is your English teacher, Dinesh sir. So, children, today we are going to learn about English reader. Alright? So, take out your English reader, and the topic for the day is Poem 2, a box of crayons. I repeat, Poem 2, a box of crayons. Alright? So I hope you have now opened the poem 2, a box of crayons, from your English reader. So children, let's begin. Okay children, so now before the starting the poem, let's have some new words. The first word here is shiny. Shiny means bright, something that is so bright, alright, that is called shiny. Then straight. Straight. Straight means not bent, something which is so straight, something which is not bent, alright, जो एकदम सीधा है उसे कहेंगे हम straight. Then lent. Lent means allowed to use. If you borrow something from someone, then you can say that you have lented something from somebody. So आप किसी और से चीज़ आप मांगते हैं, लेते हैं किसी और की चीज़ यूज़ करने के लिए, that is lent. That means कि you are allowed to use someone's things. The next one is share. Share means enjoy something with others. Like we share our things with somebody else, alright? That is sharing. So when you enjoy something with others, it can be your lunchbox or it can be your any other things. That is called share. Alright? Okay children, so now let's read and recite the poem. A box of crayons. I had a box of crayons, all shiny, straight and new. I lent a friend one crayon and oops, it broke into two. My friend said, I am sorry. But I said, it is fine. Because we both can share. Now half is yours and half is mine. Okay children, so now let me explain you what is this story about. So this is a story of a child, two friends, you can see that in the picture. One of them had a box of crayons. Alright, so the boy said that I had a box of crayons. And what type of crayons were there? All the crayons were very shiny, straight and new. Then what happened? I lent a friend one crayon. So there was another friend and she asked to use the crayon. So the boy lent one crayon to his friend. And then oops, what happened? The crayon broke into two pieces. Then the friend said that, oh, I'm sorry, I just broke your crayon. But I said, that means the boy said, okay, it's fine, don't worry, it's fine. Why? Because now we both can share. Now half is yours and half is mine. Alright children, when there is one crayon and it is broken into two pieces, then what we can use? We can share it, no? Half one is yours and half one is mine. So this is how we can share one thing with two different persons. Right? So this poem says about the friendship. This story says about when you are by mistakenly, when you have done something wrong, right? Then you should say sorry. And also on the other hand, when somebody is apologizing to us, what we should do? We should say it's okay, it is fine, alright? And we should find a solution to use that thing in other way, okay? Alright children, so now let's complete the comprehension part. Write true or false for the given statements. Number 1. The child had a box of chocolates. Is it true or false? Child had a box of chocolate? No. The child had a box of crayons. So this statement is wrong. That is false. Now second one. The child's friend broke the crayon in two pieces. Is it true or false children? Of course, it is true. Then third one, now they can share the crayon. Is it true or false? Obviously, it is also true. Now fourth one, the child's friend said it is fine. Is it true or false, children? That is wrong. This is false. Why? Because it is fine जो है ना, ये किसने कहा था? The boy himself said it is fine, but child's friend had said that I am sorry. Alright, let's move on to the next exercise. Answer the following questions in a complete sentence. Alright, so the first question here is, what did the child lend? The answer is, the child lent one crayon. Second one, what happened to the crayon? The answer is, the crayon broke into two pieces. Then third one, was the child happy or sad? The answer is, the child was happy. Okay children, now let's move on to the next slide. Okay, so now this is a word building, and what we have today, we have singular and plural, one and many. So children, as I have already taught you this one, if there is a one car, you can say car, okay? If there are two, then you can say cars, alright? If there are one flower, you can say flower. But if there are more than one flower, you can say flowers, alright? So when there is a one thing, you can use that as in singular. When there are more than one, you can say that it is a plural, and we add as or es to make it plural. Okay, so let's have some examples of singular and plural. Write the plural for the following words. First one is bat. If there is one, then we can say bat. But if there are more than one, we can say bats. If there is one star over here, we can say star. But if there are more than one stars, we can say stars. Dog, if it is one, then it is dog. If there are more, we can say dogs. If there is one, we can say chair. If there are more than one chair, we can say chairs. If there is one kitten, we can say kitten. If there are more, then we can say kittens. Alright children, now I hope you have understood how to write plurals. Let's read all these things once again. Bat, bats. Star, stars. Dog, dogs. Chair, chairs. Kitten, kittens. Alright, let's move on to the next exercise. Okay children, so now we have a homework time, and the homework is that read and recite the poem with accents and expressions. Solve the textbook exercises with the help of study material provided. Alright children, so first homework is read and recite the poem with actions and expressions. At your home you can read this poem and recite it on your own. Alright, with accents and expressions. Second homework is that you need to solve all the textbook exercises with the help of study material, and I will provide you the study materials link in the description box. I will also send you on the WhatsApp from where you can download the study material, and then you can complete your textbook exercises. Alright children? Okay children, so that's it for today. Thank you very much.